Hey lads, TechScanning here. So last year Vivo launched its X90 series with a strong focus on camera capabilities, especially the highest Vivo X90 Pro Plus that brought impressive photography to smartphones. So the exciting news for the mobile photography lovers is that Vivo is already working on its successor Vivo X100 series, and like the last year, we can expect at least 3 models: the standard Vivo X100, X100 Pro and X100 Pro Plus. Reports are suggesting that this time Vivo will push the boundaries even further and bring some amazing camera specific features. And luckily, we already know some of them, thanks to a well-known Vivo tipster who shared some exciting camera features of the upcoming Vivo X100 Pro Plus. According to him, the handset will sport a main camera with a variable aperture, which is typically found on high-end DSLR cameras. So with this camera feature, you will have the flexibility to tone the level of light that enters the camera. For example, a wider aperture would be ideal for brighter and less noisy images, as it allows more light to reach the sensor. So it's impressive to have it on a smartphone. Moving to the ultra-wide sensor, the Vivo X100 Pro Plus is hinted to feature an innovative ultra-wide freeform surface lens, a similar tech that we have seen on the Huawei Mate 40 Pro Plus in the past. The freeform lens will be responsible to capture the true shape of the object and high-quality images, so it will be great for capturing some impressive landscape shots. Moving forward, the tipster also mentions the device will also support the portrait micro cloud platform. That simply means by employing the sophisticated software solution, Vivo will provide amazingly clear and detailed portraits. We can say Vivo will try to bring a dedicated camera-like experience to smartphones. Just like its predecessor, the Vivo X100 Pro Plus will feature a periscope sensor, but this time with more focus on low-light photography while taking zoomed-in photos. So, although we don't have all the details yet, but we can guess the Vivo X100 Pro Plus camera enhancements will be significant. And like the last year, the whole camera system is set to be backed by Vivo's next generation V3 image processing chip. So what are your expectations from the Vivo X100 series camera system? Share your thoughts below in the comment section. The lineup is most likely to launch in the second half of 2023, and before that we surely get more details including some spy shots. Of course, I will keep you updated, so be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.